It's time for a daily dose of victory, even if it's just a minute with the pastor.
Hey, I'm Pastor Tony Smith, the pastor of Victorious Ministry, and this is another daily dose of victory. We're on the subject, a stress-free lifestyle. I want to talk to you on the subject about people today. You need to understand that you can't make people like you just as well as you can't force people to hate you. So you must become stress-free over the people in your life that treat you like they don't appreciate you or treat you like they don't respect you. Listen, I've learned a long time ago that you can't make people respect you, but also people can't make you respond to that disrespect. So you don't have to respond to it. You need to stay away from people. Even if you love them, pull away from people that chooses not to respect you so you won't live in stress. Another thing is that you must understand that people have their opinion like you have yours, and you cannot mastermind or create such a great plan that your opinion will be greater than their opinion, and if they don't take your opinion, your whole world fall apart. I want you to be encouraged by doing this. Focus on building you. Focus on peace in you. Focus on joy within you. And then when you focus on that and realize that you can't change what's around you, you'll live in peace within inside you. My time is up. Bye-bye.
Greetings, Victorious family. Don't know what to do for New Year's? Well, come out and join Pastor Tony Smith here at 4617 York Road. I mean, we're doing it big this year. We're going to have moon bouncing, face painting, food, and much, much more. And this event is for the entire family. The festivities begin at 3 and end at 7:30. And then we're going to have two powerhouse services. One is at 6 and the other one is at 9:30 p.m. Bringing you New Year with the Word of God. And remember, you don't have to wait till midnight to bring in the New Year.